peoples, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for being cozy today. I just didn't feel like how to say, change my clothes. I feel like a bit chilly, and actually I have normal clothes under, but I just don't want to take the robe off. I came from Paris today with really early train, and I'm sleepy, and when I'm sleepy I'm always cold. So today I have a new beauty subscription box, and this is from Medusa makeup. It's a American brand, and it's my first box, and it's their March beauty box. Now I have to check how much is the cost of uh, I have to check the cost of the box. So the box is $16 a month, but it depends which subscription it is. It changes because of the shipping things. So US subscription is different than like international subscription or Canadian subscription. So I have the international subscription, and that is $27 including shipping. And the value of this box is $42.95. I like they give the little info, and the value of the box is here. And this everything is full size, and this time I got 4 full-size items. First one is, and everything is Medusa's own products, and it's the first one is salt and peppermint lip balm. This is really nice. It definitely has a peppermint smell to it. It glided on nicely on lips. I already tried everything, almost everything, and I really liked how it felt on my lips. It's really made them soft and hydrated. Now, next is also skincare item, and it's the Medusa Makeup Black Hawaiian Sea Salt Facial Scrub. It's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and all their products are vegan. And this is how it looks. It does come in this bag. I'm not really into these bag things, but I will give it a shot and see. Let's just open and see how it smells. There is no scent to it. Now let's continue. The next 2 items are makeup related, or they are makeup items. And the first is the Medusa Witch Lash Cruelty Free Mascara, and it's electric blue. And this is what's on my lower lash line with the electric blue liner, but I use this mascara on my lower lash line, and it really is electric blue. And it like is opaque color. It's not like, oh, it's a color mascara and then it's like hardly any. You see my lashes down here? This is amazing it is. I'm really impressed with that. And the last item is their lip paint in Whoopee. Comes in this packaging, and it's also what's on my lips. So I really like this. It definitely is a drying, but nothing comes. Let me rub. Nothing comes. See, it doesn't transfer. So I don't mind it being drying. Also, it took some time to dry down, and another thing, it was tacky when it dried down, but other than that, I think it's such a gorgeous color, and to be honest, I can't wait to see how it wears, how it reacts when I have food, when I have drink, and such things. So I'm really impressed with the products I like. I got to try some skincare. I got some new amazing makeup goodies, and this mascara would never be something I would pick up for myself. You know how sometimes I'm really conservative with my makeup. Most of the times I know my makeup teacher said this, so you like nudes and you wear nudes, and that's true. If I started, I think sometimes I make like the really bold makeup, but not really. It's still nudes. So I have been trying to get out of my comfort zone and post on Instagram more colorful looks. So I hope you like this smoky gray look with a hint of or pop of color. I will list everything on my blog where you can get it, and I think this is awesome. Even though I paid 27, it's still a good value for a new beauty items. And yes, this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.